Hello guys, welcome to first LWC tutorial. So in this tutorial we are going to see how to install VS Code. Okay, how to install VS Code, how to write programs on VS Code. So let's get started. So for installing VS Code we have to go to the we have to go to Google and type VS Code. Okay, so the first link what you get here, Visual Studio Code, code.visualstudio.com. In this you have to go, and here you can download the Visual Studio Code. So here you have option download for Mac OS. Okay, so you can, if you click on this download button, you have options to download for Windows, and you have options to download for Mac. Okay, so these options you have. So after downloading the VS Code, you need to install it, and after that you will be coming to the VS Code. Okay, so now the next step is you have to come to the marketplace. Where is my video? One second. Okay, so you have to come to the marketplace. This is the marketplace, and in this marketplace you have to install Salesforce extension pack. Salesforce extension pack. Okay, so this you need to install. For me it's already installed. Salesforce extension pack is already installed, and then after that you can install the CLI from here. Salesforce CLI. Okay, so CLI is also already installed for me, and you have to come to the website here. um, you have to go you have to install the Salesforce CLI. Okay, from here, Mac OS, Windows and Linux, this you need to do. Okay, this is important step, otherwise it will not work. So you have to install two things. You have to install VS Code, okay, and you have to install CLI. If you are Mac OS, then you can go for this option, and if you are Windows, then you can go for this option. Okay, so Linux can go for this option. So after installing, you need to come to this command prompt or terminal. In case of this one, in case of Mac, you need to come to the terminal, and here you can run a command sfdx space update. Okay, and enter. Now what it will be fetching, like what it will do is it will update your current version. Okay, so it's currently at 2.53. Okay, 0.6. So it will update till 2.64.8. Okay, seems like it has updated. Okay, so you can see you're done at the end. That means the update is complete. Okay, so now after this you come back to the VS Code. Now you have CLI installed, you have Salesforce extension pack. Okay, next what you have to do is you have to connect your Salesforce org. Okay, so connecting the Salesforce org, you can do using the terminal. Like there are commands to do that, but you can also do it using I'll tell you. You need to press command shift and P, and here first you have to create a new project, sfdx for colon create, you can see here create project with manifest. Okay, click on this, then select standard and give the name of the project. Let's say I'll give the name of the project is Salesforce project. Okay, now hit on enter. So after hitting on enter, you need to select the folder here, so you can store this in documents. Okay, so after storing in this in the documents, then hit on create project. Okay, so you have to click on yes, I trust the authors. It's asking, do you trust the authors of the files in the folder? Yes, I trust the authors. Okay, after this the next step will be command shift P. Okay, authorize an org. This will be your next step. Click on this, and since you have to select this one, production login.salesforce.com, and you have to name it as you can name it as Salesforce fraud or org, because this is developer edition, you don't have sandbox here. Okay, so you have only login.salesforce.com, so you don't have test.salesforce.com. So you can name it as Salesforce org and hit enter. So it will open this prompt here. So what you have to do here is you need to enter your username and your password and click on login. So now it says authorization is successful after you have logged in. Now come back to the VS Code, and here you will see authorization ran successfully. Okay, this method, if it comes, that means that you are successfully authorized. Now the next step will be, what will be the next step is creating the your first lightning web component. So you will get a welcome message here. After that, for creating first lightning web component, command shift P, hit on that. You can see it, create lightning web component, and you can name it as first LWC. Okay, hit on enter. You can choose custom directory, or you can choose force app main default LWC. You can store it here. Okay, so this is the default what you get. Import lightning element from LWC, export default class first LWC, extend lightning element. Okay, and now what you'll be getting here is here you see three files you'll be getting. You'll be getting first lwc.html, js and meta.xml. These three files you'll be getting here. Okay, so this is how you install the VS Code, install the CLI, then connect your VS Code to the Salesforce org, then install the extensions, Salesforce extension pack, Salesforce CLI, all those things. So I hope you got understanding of this. Like if you're watching this for the first time, then you got the understanding how to install it. Now in the next tutorial, we will be building the LWC components. This will be the series, like step by step I'll be covering all the concepts. So for that, please subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon, so that will never miss the update of new videos. So I hope you like this video. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.